Good, good afternoon, student. I am your new teacher of pharmacology. My name is Monali. Today, my lecture is Basic Introduction of Pharmacology. Pharmacology is one of the most important branches of pharmacy. It deals with the study of the drug effect on the body, and body response for the drug which has been taken is called pharmacology. In that the pharmacology is made up of two main words, pharma plus logy. The Greek word pharmakon meaning is drug or a medicine. Logos means to study. The simply means pharmacology is a study of drug means a pharmacology. Study the complete life cycle of drug as per the pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics profile is known as a pharmacology. In that the two main words, pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics. Pharmacodynamics means the effect of drug on the body means pharmacodynamics, and pharmacokinetics means the ADME effect is the pharmacokinetics. Pharmacology is one of the most important branches in pharmacy. It deals with the study of the drug effect on the body, and body response for the drug which has been taken is called pharmacology. In the pharmacology, the main three words, drugs, drug effect on the body, and body response towards the drug. In that the first is the drug. Drug is the any substance which is used for diagnosis, prevention and treatment for to cure the disease or any disorder. In that the diagnosis example are X-ray. In that the bismuth sulfate is used for the diagnosis. For the better result we use a bismuth sulfate. X-ray for the better X-ray for the better diagnosis. Prevention is taken before any disease or disorder occur. In that the prevention, all type of vaccines are the prevention type of vaccine. Prevention. All type of vaccine are in the category of prevention. Vaccines are like a polio vaccine, chickenpox vaccines, and last is the treatment. Treatment means any disease or disorder. To cure that disease or disorder, we take a medicine like antibiotic, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, which is included in a treatment. The source of drug. There are many sources of drug. Plant source. Various plant extracts are developed into drugs. Their example is morphine, digoxin, vinblastine. Vinblastine is an anti-cancer drug. Animal hormones and their gland secretion are used in a certain disease condition to cure them. Example, insulin, heparin, thyroid extract. Mineral. Certain minerals are useful as a medicinal agent. They include a liquid paraffin, magnesium sulfate and kaolin. Synthetic drug. Nowadays, a large variety of drugs are made synthetically by chemical interaction. Example, aspirin, sulfonamide, corticosteroid, and last is a microorganism. Certain drugs, example antibiotics, are obtained from microorganism by a fermentation process. Example are penicillin and rifampicin. Drugs can be classified on the basis of different criteria, including chemical structure and pharmacological action. Pharmacological action is a preferred criteria for the drug classification. On its basis, drug can be divided into the following three main groups: chemotherapeutic agent, pharmacodynamic agent, and the miscellaneous agent. Chemotherapeutic agent example are a sulfa drug and antibiotic. This is agent used to cure infectious disease and cancer disease. And second is a pharmacodynamic agent. Pharmacodynamic agent having example are a cholinergic, adrenergic, and sedatives. Pharmacodynamic agent, they are used as a treatment regime for a non-infectious disease. Miscellaneous agent. Miscellaneous agent are the narcotic, analgesic, and local anesthetic. Scope of pharmacology. Pharmacology explain what drugs, what they do to body function, what the body does to them. Pharmacology also explain why a person may experience side effect and why there is such a wide spectrum of difference between the drug action in a different people. Once the drug is bounded to protein, it exerts a therapeutic effect on the body is the pharmacodynamic drug. After the drug, the main word is a pharmacodynamic. What is pharmacodynamic? What does a drug do to the body is called a pharmacodynamics. To understand the pharmacodynamics, ask yourself why are you taking medicine, and second is what happen when are you taking a medicine. Drug having a two effect on the body, desirable effect and undesirable effect. Desirable effect, we want that effect to cure, treat, or diagnosis, prevention. This is our desirable effect. Undesirable effect, that effect we doesn't want but having, that is a side effect. Example, headache, vomiting. Adverse effect. Adverse effect example are rashes on skin. And the third is a toxic effect. Toxic effect may be a organ damage. And third important word is a pharmacokinetic. Pharmacokinetics is the study of what happen to the drugs when they entering the body. For the understand pharmacokinetics, ask yourself what if drug remains as such in the body. After administration of drug, body do a ADME effect. Pharmacokinetics is deal with the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion of drug. Thus, the form of entry of drug in the body until its excretion, the study of what happened to drug in the body is known as a pharmacokinetics. Absorption of drug in the blood and across the cell membrane is a enter the cell. Distribution of drug throughout the body. Metabolism or a breakdown of the drug. Metabolism is also called the biotransformation. Metabolism is occurring in the liver. And last is the excretion. Excretion of drug from the body, it is called elimination. In the excretion process, water soluble drug excreted through the urine and lipid soluble drug excreted through the stool or through the bile, and volatile drug excreted through the skin. Therapeutic index. A drug does not have a single effect but has a spectrum of effect through we administer it for the one of its predominant and therapeutically useful effect. Many other effects of drug are referred to as a side effect, adverse effect, unwanted effect. or even a toxic effect. Thus, a drug to be used in a clinical practice should have a maximum therapeutic effectiveness and least toxicity. To express the safety of drug, the term therapeutic index is used. Therapeutic index. Therapeutics. Every drug is a potentially toxic if given in an overdose. Conversely, even a potent poisons can be used as a drug when administered appropriate dose and with a proper precaution. It is necessary to express the potency or toxicity of the drug, establish the safety of drug. A dose of drug which is produces the stated effect in a 50% of individual within the population is called a median dose, and depending on the stated effect, it can be designed as a ED, effective dose, and ELD for a lethal dose, and so on. For assessing safety of drug, this is 2 median dose are used. Thus, therapeutic index is a ratio of lethal dose and effective dose and indicates the relative margin of safety of drug processes. Therapeutic index is equal to lethal dose upon a effective dose. This index alone is sufficient for assessment of relative safety of drug. In that, the therapeutics means a art of medicine, and a broadest sense it means a measure which is taken in the treatment of disease. Pharmacotherapeutic means the drug in a relation to their application in the treatment of disease is known as a pharmacotherapeutics. In the therapeutics index, the other terms are toxicology. It is the study of action of overdose of drug which may endanger life. Strictly speaking, it is the study of poisons, their effect and treatment. Chemotherapy. The use of chemical agent in the treatment of infectious disease is called a chemotherapy. The agent destroys the infecting germs without damaging the human body. That is in a chemotherapy.